I normally don't like hot pots, but California has me changing my mind real quick. This is Malatown Hot Pot, the Bay Area's build-your-own-bowl paradise. This is the adults version of Build-A-Bear Workshop. As soon as you step in, you gotta create your own bowl. They have everything here: ramen, udon, sliced meats, seafood, tofu, mushrooms, veggies. You get to build it however you want, how much you want. Their pricing is kind of simple. It's about $16.99 per pound, so it's not too bad, but the amount of food that you get is quite a lot, and the soup flavors they have are absolutely phenomenal. They even have a sauce bar in the back and free green tea. And the sauce bar is pretty extensive too. Garlic, sesame, chili oil, cilantro, they have it all. This was probably one of the best meals I've ever had in California. Sure, it's a little pricey, but the flavor and the amount of food that you get is absolutely worth it. You guys need to come here and check it out.